Good morning all of you. My name is Kalpesh Gambhir Bhai Chaudhary. So today's my topic is why string is immutable in Java. So in object-oriented programming, the immutable string or object that cannot be modified once it is created, but we can only change the reference to the object. So we restrict to change the object itself. The string is immutable in Java because of the security, synchronization, and concerning catching and class loading. So the reason of making string final is to destroy the immutability and to not allow other extend it. The string object are chased in the string pool and it makes the string immutable. The catch string literal are accessed by multiple clients, so there is always a risk where action performed by on client effort affect all other clients. For example, suppose if one client perform an action and change the string value from pressure to pressure, so all remaining client will also read that value. For the performance reason, catching of string object was important, so to remove that remove the risk, we have make the string immutable. Suppose string 1 is string reference variable and string 2 is string reference variable, and the heap suppose to heap area string object. So in double quote apple. So these are so the string pool cannot be possible if string is not immutable in Java. A lot of heap space is saved by JRE. So the same string value string variable can be referred to by more than one string variables in the pool. String entering can also not be possible if the string would not be immutable. If we don't make the string immutables, it will pose us serious security threat to the application. For example, database username, password are passed as string to receive database connection. The socket programming host and port description are also passed the string. The string is immutable, so its value cannot be changed. If the string does not remain immutable, any hacker can cause a security issue in the application by changing the reference value. So the string is safe for multi-threading because it is immutable. Different thread can access a single string in a instance. It remove the synchronization for thread safety because we make things thread safe implicitly. So immutability gives the security of loading the correct class by class loader. Suppose to create a new string, suppose by literal and new by using new keyword. So by using new keyword in heap area in SCP, so string constant pool, to create a two object in SCP also and heap area also, and by using literal to create only one object by in heap area. So the string constant pool, the object remains unchanged and the new string object is created with another object is shown that string are immutable and the reference variable point to the heap area and string constant pool. So suppose using suppose one of the example in public static void main method, by using literal string is equal to hello, and by using new keyword string new string is equal to string word. So new so the so this new keyword is create a object in heap area also and scp also.